Caring for cucumber plants in a greenhouse involves training them to grow vertically along ropes, optimizing space and sunlight exposure. Proper tightening and clipping techniques are crucial for directing plant growth and ensuring optimal fruit production. LED lights are utilized to supplement natural light and promote photosynthesis, while nutrient-rich water is provided to support plant development. By following these guidelines and implementing these practices, greenhouse farmers can effectively maintain healthy cucumber plants throughout their growth cycle. The meticulous process of training, tightening, and clipping not only encourages upward growth, but also facilitates better air circulation and disease prevention. With the right care and maintenance, coupled with advanced technologies, cucumber plants in greenhouse settings can thrive and yield bountiful harvests. Harvesting and processing cucumbers in greenhouse farms involves a meticulous approach, starting with manual harvesting using knives to ensure precision and care in picking the ripe fruits. The harvested cucumbers then undergo sorting and packaging procedures, where modern conveyor belts and robotic arms streamline the process for efficiency and accuracy. Quality control measures are paramount at every stage, emphasizing cleanliness and adherence to strict standards to maintain optimal production levels. By following these guidelines and leveraging technological advancements, greenhouse farmers can ensure that the harvested cucumbers meet the highest quality standards before reaching the market. The integration of automated systems not only enhances productivity, but also minimizes errors, resulting in a smoother and more streamlined harvesting and processing operation within the greenhouse environment. In conclusion, the video highlighted the importance of greenhouse cucumber farming in the Netherlands, showcasing its significant role in modern agriculture and sustainable food production. Viewers are encouraged to engage with the content by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more informative updates on agricultural practices. The global production statistics underscore the Netherlands' leading position in cucumber production, emphasizing the country's expertise and contribution to the industry. By supporting and promoting greenhouse farming initiatives, viewers can play a part in advancing sustainable agriculture and ensuring food security for future generations. Join us in spreading awareness about the benefits of greenhouse farming, and stay tuned for more insightful discussions on innovative farming practices and industry trends. Like, share, and subscribe to be a part of this important conversation.